In CyberSpace 2024 CTF, their first challenge in forensic category, that is social distancing. We all remember the time of social distancing and quarantines. However, some quarantine malware that you can understand what it entails. Okay, there first we have to download this file in zip format, and after extracting, there I have got a quarantine folder, and there three directories: entries, resource data, and resources. So basically these three directories are created in quarantine folder in Windows Defender. So if we check from directory C, program data, Microsoft, Windows Defender, and there is a quarantine folder, and there the file structure is entries, resource data, and resources. And basically in resources folder, where the actual quarantined files are stored, the file names are composed of a custom hash, like this, the custom hash uniquely identifying each sample, and every sample is also grouped into a subfolder, where subfolder name is obtained from the first two characters of hash 95. To decrypt files in this folder, we simply apply the RC4 to the whole file. Before decrypting, we can check this file in edit, resource data 95. Okay, there we can see the text, but we don't understand anything because it's encrypted already. So we have to decrypt this by RC4, and here is my Python program to decrypt this file. So we have to enter data, okay, 5, and our Python program is developed by Python 2. So if you want to run this program, you have to use actually downgrade the Python version. So there is my Python version is 2.7 is default. So now run this program. Before run this program, we can check our Python file. There, if you see, there's a key, hard-coded key obtained from mpengine.dll. That's our key to decrypt this file. RC4 decrypt, and okay, we have to change the file name. And after decrypting, there is another file will be created and quarantine with meta. So after decrypting this file, we have got another bin file, and now we can check this file by hexadit. And now this file we can read now after decrypting by RC4, and if we see, there is a saved as zip. Okay, fine. So that's our base 64 code. To decrypt this base 64 code, this is G file, this test file, and there's a flag. Okay, and what we learned from this challenge: first one, we are now able to decrypt the quarantine file, and we can analyze this file. And there's a zip file we can see, and there are some command we can see there. This is a zip file. So if we save this file in zip format, and Windows Defender can again detect this file as a malware, and it can be quarantined again by Windows Defender. Thank you for watching my video.